worst of it is over now. The storm becomes the calm. The sun is slipping through the clouds, showing me the damage done. To say that I've been beaten up doesn't even scratch the surface. I'm past the point of acting tough. We both know how deep my hurt is. I've heard that you're the God that can restore what this world steals, but I'm in 1,000 pieces. Can you show me how it feels when a fragile heart finds healing hands? What's been numb by pain starts to feel again. What's been torn apart's where you began. When a fragile heart finds healing hands. When a fragile heart finds